Are you ready to change your trading strategy? In this video, we will discuss an effective and profitable scalping strategy using smooth Heikin Ashi candles that can consistently increase your profits. You will be able to clearly identify trends and reduce false signals that often cause losses. So make sure you stay with us until the end of this video, and don't forget to support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. This scalping strategy using smooth Heikin Ashi candles can be used on all trading assets such as forex, gold or xauusd, crypto, stocks, and various other assets. Let's get started. To use this scalping strategy, you can go to TradingView. Then you can go to the indicator search tab and type in smooth Heikin Ashi candles V1. Next, just select Smooth Heikin Ashi Candles V1 by Jack VMK. After that, set up the Smooth Heikin Ashi Candles indicator. In the Input tab, change the numbers for Len and Len 2 to 8. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Smooth Heikin Ashi Candles indicator will be used as the main trend guide in the market. If the Smooth Heikin Ashi candles are green, it indicates a bullish trend. In this position, your main focus should be placing buy orders. If the Smooth Heikin Ashi candles are red, it indicates a bearish trend. In this position, your main focus should be placing sell orders. Now let's add the RSI indicator that we will use as a guide for placing orders. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in Ultra RSI. Then select Ultra RSI by Donovan Wall. After that, make some adjustments to the Ultra RSI indicator. In the Input tab, change the number for the sampling period to 50. Then go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the Overbought threshold, Oversold threshold, and bar color. Once done, simply click OK to confirm the changes. This Ultra RSI indicator will be used as a guide for placing orders in the market. If the Ultra RSI indicator is green and above the midline, it signals a buy. However, you will place an order when the color of the Ultra RSI indicator changes from red to green. If the Ultra RSI indicator is red and below the midline, it signals a sell. You will place an order when the color of the Ultra RSI indicator changes from green to red. How to place a buy order? If the Smooth Heikin Ashi indicator is green, it indicates a bullish trend. Your main focus is to find the best point to place a buy order. Then wait for a buy signal from the Ultra RSI indicator, or in other words, wait for the Ultra RSI indicator to change color from red to green. For confirmation, ensure that the main candlestick is a bullish candlestick and the Smooth Heikin Ashi candles are still in a bullish trend. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the bullish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing low. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order? If the Smooth Heikin Ashi indicator is red, it indicates a bearish trend. Your main focus is to find the best point to place a sell order. Then wait for a sell signal from the Ultra RSI indicator, or in other words, wait for the Ultra RSI indicator to change color from green to red. For confirmation, ensure that the main candlestick is a bearish candlestick, and the Smooth Heikin Ashi candles are still in a bearish trend. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the bearish candlestick closes. Place the stop loss at the last swing high. Use a take profit target with a risk to reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you gained new knowledge today. That concludes our discussion for today, and see you in the next video.